Hey Artnerds! So today we are unboxing and taking a look at this giant box of Faber-Castell goodies. I kid you guys not, we've tried to record a live stream of this video 4 times, but YouTube is having massive problems. So while I wanted to share this with you guys live, unfortunately we're just gonna have to do it in post because I cannot sit on this massive box any longer. So this behemoth of art supplies arrived yesterday, Saturday, and I waited until today, Sunday. Originally I wanted to record it in the beautiful outdoors, but my phone was like, no, I'll overheat. So we're inside in the lush air conditioning. We're gonna take a look at the goodies inside this box today. So a couple weeks ago, a rep from Faber-Castell contacted me and asked if I'd be interested in checking out some of their products. I really like Faber-Castell, but I'm only familiar with a few of their products. I'm particularly familiar with their Pitt pens, both the India ink multicolored ones and then using Pitt pens for inking comics. And I'm also familiar with their Polychromos color pencils, which I kind of consider like the best color pencils. So even though I don't have a huge range of experience with Faber-Castell because it doesn't have quite the market saturation here in the US, I was like, yeah, definitely. I already like your products. I want to check out more. I was really surprised when this big old box arrived. I figured I'd get like, you know, a cute little box with 3 things, but this box weighs more than my cat. So this box has been marked as paid endorsement. They didn't pay me, but they did send me the box for free. And I feel like it's always good to acknowledge that and to be honest with you guys, my viewers, so you know where I'm coming from, and to acknowledge the relationship I have with the companies that I work with. So this box was sent to me to check out, to enjoy, and to make art with, and I wanted to share it with you guys today. So I have to admit, in the last attempt at streaming, we did cut it open and we did start to look at it, but we haven't looked at everything yet. So if it's okay with you guys, for the sake of entertainment, I'd like to pretend like we haven't gone completely through the box, because we haven't, but I like to pretend that everything's new and fresh and exciting and that I don't know because you guys don't know. So we're gonna go through the surprise together. So unfortunately, we don't get to have the deliciously satisfying unboxing chic and then the whoosh of air and the smell of art supplies, but we do get cat paper, and my little boy over in the corner looked up. Let's see if we can summon him. Bowie! He says no. He still says no. So we'll put this very easy to recycle craft paper aside, right there, and we're gonna take a look at all the awesome art supplies in this box today. So we have a set of 48 soft pastels, and this is a beautifully large color range. You can see the color range on the back, and don't worry, as time progresses I'm going to do unbox and swatch explorations and demonstrations of everything in this box, so you're going to get a closer look at it soon. We also received a really cute 24 set of brilliant beeswax crayons. They have extra thick, break resistant, ultra vibrant colors that go on smooth, triangular shape, is perfect for learning proper grip, and they come in a really stinking cute plastic carrying case that's going to be durable. It's got a little handle and it's got latches, so if you get young ones who love to color, this could be a really great kit for your kiddos. We also received a set of 36 oil pastels. Again, we have a beautiful, brilliant range on the back, and it says that you can work over these with oil, so that's really cool. That's a really cool form factor. We received another set of 24 oil pastels, and these have a slightly different shape to the front, and they also come in a really nice sturdy little carrying case, and it looks like a lot of what Faber-Castell sent me was kind of their younger line, the red line. So that's going to be really exciting for me because I've done a lot of stuff with kids' art supplies. We talked about Prang, we talked about Yarko, we talked about Crayola, but I've never had a chance to explore the Faber-Castell Young Students, Young Learners line. And this is also going to be great for my students because they're going to get access to more supplies than I would have been able to provide them with in the past. We also received a charcoal sketching set, which comes with what looks like a willow stick, a compressed charcoal pencil, a white pastel pencil, and then a blending stump. This I'm super excited about. And look at this. Is this not super cool? And it's really cute. It's a hefty little thing too. So this is the Faber-Castell connector paint box, and it looks like watercolor, but it may be tempera. Let's check out the back. Bright, rich colors with high opacity. Okay, so we're either dealing with opaque watercolor, gouache, or tempera. Detach the connector paint tablets and combine them creatively. Includes one tube of Chinese white and a paintbrush. Lid with name label and mixing palette. Perfect for all techniques. Ideal for school and leisure. Then color replacements can be purchased individually. Faber-Castell, thank you. I get so bummed out when I see really cool sets like this one and you can't replace the paint once you've used it. So that is awesome. I know that's going to get a lot of use. Whoa, that's hefty. Okay, we received, oh, maybe they sent me like multiple things from their lines. So like I get the intro and then the intermediate and then the, oh, that would be so cool. I could do so many cool comparisons with that. People really like that when I do those. So I received this very classy Faber-Castell 36 soft pastel set. I know, don't smell your art supplies, but I do it anyway. I also received the Faber-Castell Gold Faber Aqua. So these are watercolor pencils, and I really look forward to playing with these. And they're in a really nice metal tin. Then I received the Faber-Castell 27 Eco Pencils with 6 blendable skin tones, y'all. That is exciting for me. And then on the back, they have a guide so that you can mix and blend to create your own skin tone. I love that. A+. That's really cool. Then, there's so much in here. And some of these are so fun. Give me just a second. I want to check and make sure we're doing good on time. There's so many cool things, y'all. We're going to have in-depth videos for all of these products coming up in the future. So even if this is kind of like wibble wobble vision and you can't see things super closely, this is just an unboxing. We're just getting a look at what's inside the box. But y'all, for real, check this out. We received Fizzy Paint. How fun is that? It kind of looks like Brusho. Add water, watch them fizz. Wonderful as watercolor. And there are 20 tablets inside, 6 colors each. Oh, what? Wait. 6 colors, 20 tablets each. Oh, wow, there's so much paint in this. And then they have instructions as well. This is so cool. Look at this. It's like a more accessible form of Brusho. I can't wait to play with those. Then we received a very well packaged. It says Gold Faber 10 of 48 color pencils. And these are some nice looking colored pencils. Ooh, their color range is really nice too. In a really nice metal tin. And they have 3.3 millimeter lead, so they're gonna have really nice thick cores. Excellent light fastness, soft, vibrant color laydown, highly pigmented, water resistant and smudge proof. High break resistance due to secure bonding process. Easy to sharpen with all normal pencil sharpeners. So that's pretty awesome. Then we received the Faber-Castell 4-pit artist pens hand lettering set for the love of letters. And this is really neat because you get a small, a medium, a 1.5, and then there's a pink brush in here. That's neat. Check that out. I love those sort of themed sets. We also received some really cute little ones, soft touch watercolor brushes. Check out those soft foams on there. That's gonna feel good on the hands, y'all. Let's see if I can find the English instructions on here. Sturdy, soft synthetic hair, cushion foam grip area for good hold while painting. Good color coverage, ideal set for school and leisure. Rinse brush after painting. And there are 4 brushes in here, 3 rounds and 1 flat. We also received, y'all, I might have to bring this one back when I go visit my mom because I think she'd get such a kick out of this. Because she was a teacher for 20 years and she taught little kids when she taught reading recovery, so I think she'd really appreciate this. This is the big fizzy watercolor set. It's got, look at that handle! And then, come on, I believe in you. What? Whoa! That's so neat. It's like a little science set. I'm all about this. We're gonna do some art, we're gonna do some science, we're gonna do some fizzy. It's gonna be great. And then there's 3 more products. We have rainbow fluffy paint with a 3D whip texture. And this is really neat. It's got like a foam or a whipped cream sort of texture going on. This is a really cool little set. Let me show you guys the back. Check out that. Isn't that so cool? So you also get like these color shapers that move your paint, and you can do kind of like graffito. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong. I'm just a comic artist, y'all. But you can do these really textural 3D effects. And then we received, we received a watercolor pad and a black paper pad. Super duper cool. So thank you so much to Faber-Castell. I am so excited about this box. I can't wait to bring this back to Louisiana with me to share it with someone who I know will get a big kick out of it as well. And I can't wait to go over these supplies with you guys in more depth. Okay. So thank you guys so much for joining me for this amazing unboxing video. There's so many cool art supplies here. I can't wait to start swatching them and experimenting with them for you guys. I can't wait to show them to some other artists. And I would really like to get some feedback from real kids on some of these products, what they like about it, what's cool about it, how they would like to make art with it, because these are so creative and they seem like so much fun, especially the fizzy paint kit. I would just love to see where a kiddo takes that idea. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're looking forward to the upcoming video, the upcoming bounty of videos that we're gonna have with these amazing art supplies. So I can definitely see some art challenges in my near future and hopefully some collaborations. And a huge thanks to Faber-Castell for sending me all of these super fun art supply toys. I can't wait to play with them all. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys again really soon. Bye guys!